Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize local SEO with Yext, beginner guides. To optimize local SEO with Yext, start by creating an account on the Yext platform. Once your account is set up, log in to the dashboard. Begin by entering your business details, including your name, address, and phone number. Ensure that your business information is accurate and consistent across all listings. Next, add your business categories that best describe your services or products. Utilize Yext's location management feature if you have multiple locations. This feature allows you to manage all your locations from a single dashboard. After entering your locations, focus on adding specific local keywords related to your business. These keywords should reflect the services you offer and your geographic area. Now, move on to creating engaging and informative descriptions for your business. Ensure that these descriptions include your target keywords naturally. Next, upload high-quality images of your business, products, and services. Visual content can enhance your listings and attract more potential customers. Once your content is ready, synchronize your listings across various online directories. Yext offers a feature to distribute your information to multiple platforms at once. Regularly review your listings for accuracy and update them as needed. Encourage your customers to leave reviews on platforms where you are listed. Responding to reviews can improve customer engagement and show you value feedback. Set up a system to monitor your online presence and track local search performance. Use Yext's analytics tools to gain insights into how your listings are performing. Regularly analyzing this data can help you make informed adjustments to your SEO strategy. Lastly, keep your business information updated for any changes, such as hours or services. This ensures your customers have the most accurate information available. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your local SEO using Yext. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.